back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Dylan Thompson, Neil Murray will lead them down here for the green. Will we have a repeat winner on our 2025 season, or will we get a new winner here in the street stocks? Stay tuned here to find out. Green flag in the air, side by side still with Dylan Thompson and Neil Murray. Still side by side at the line here, it looks like. Looks like Neil Murray will lead lap one. Second's Dylan Thompson, third Chris Cordell, point leader. Ben Hamilton there in fourth, and Michael Simmons is in fifth. A lot of side-by-side racing back there from third to seventh. Neil Murray out in front over Dylan Thompson. Third, Chris Cordell. Fourth, Ben Hamilton. Fifth, Michael Simmons. Was side by side with Howard Hall there. Five laps down, 15 laps to go. Neil Murray first, Dylan Thompson second, Chris Cordell third, fourth is Ben Hamilton. Spinner right there on the back stretch out of turn two. Buena Vista, Virginia's Keith Herron. Spun it all by himself. Natural Bridge Speedway rules. He will spin, brought out the caution. He will go to the rear here. Green coming back out here. Neil Murray, Dylan Thompson side by side there in 1 and 2. Neil Murray pulled back off there down the back stretch. Battle heating up for third between Ben Hamilton and Chris Cordell. Neil Murray's going to be picking up halfway here at the line. Halfway for Neil Murray. Second, Dylan Thompson. Third, Chris Cordell. Fourth, Ben Hamilton. And fifth is Michael Simmons. Halfway here in the Rayfein Medical Associates Street Stock. Rookies, start making your way to stage, and your feature is next. here you go, Natural Bridge Speedway. Neil Murray bringing us back to the green this time. Five laps here left to go. Battle heating up between Dylan Thompson and Neil Murray. You got a battle there with third and fourth with Chris Cordell and Ben Hamilton. Neil Murray has led every lap, starting second. Neil Murray's working his way through 3 and 4 one more time. Popsicle sticks in the air. Just 2 laps left here, ladies and gentlemen, at Natural Bridge Speedway in the Rafine Medical Associates Street Stock. Neil Murray looking to get his first win on the 2025 season here. Through 3 and 4 one more time. Dylan Thompson gaining on him on the high line there, trying to reel him in more. White flag in the air one more time around the Natural Bridge Speedway for Lexington, Virginia's Neil Murray. Dylan Thompson's closed and inched in more and more there. Down the backstretch, coming through 3 and 4 one more time. Dylan Thompson trying to make a last-minute shot there. Checker flag in the air for Neil Murray, finishing seconds. Dylan Thompson third, the 282 of Chris Cordell. Fourth, Ben Hamilton. Finishing fifth, Howard Hall. Finishing sixth, Keith Herron. Seventh, the 34C of Michael Simmons. Finishing eighth, the 97 of Earl Brooks Jr. Ninth, the 41 of Les Hallnaker. 10th, Kyle Bray. And 11th, Lee Herring. So Natural Bridge Speedway, your Rafine Medical Associates winner. Give it up for the 81 of Neil Murray. Neil Murray working his way down the backstretch. First win of the 2025 season. Backside, give him a round of applause.